Tired of changing the view settings for every folder? Here's how to apply the same view to all folders in Windows 11. Open File Explorer. Navigate to any folder and customize the view. Switch to Details, List, Large Icons, or any other option. Adjust sorting, grouping, or column width if needed. Apply to all folders. Click the three-dot menu in the toolbar and select Options. Go to the View tab. Click Apply to Folders under the Folder Views section. Press Yes to confirm. Want to go back to default settings? In the same View tab, click Reset Folders to undo changes. Now your folder view is the same everywhere. Like and subscribe for more quick Windows tips.